the fourth program we are going to do with NLP. Children, nowadays now you are very familiar of talking to Alexa, Siri, even you are keeping your mobile phones to open, you are using only this ones. What we are going to name this as, can we give a funny name, or you want to clap the sound? Okay, you know sound waves travels, and the sound you can hear is an echo, everything. So let us now see NLP, how NLP is in high artificial intelligence. Okay, language. Are your mamas used to train you know in your own mother tongue, and in school you talk English. You are very versatile about the languages. Now let us see what is going to be the fun here we are going to on. Where and all you will use your on off when there is a key. It is when you are going to on switches, off the switches. Apart from that, what all you'll do, you will on the fan switch, you will on the light switch, then fridge on off, open close, like that you play. No, here we are going to, and traffic lights ons and offs for every 5 seconds, like that. Let us here see how the NLP is going to work with the light on and off. Okay, how we will be saying this: lights on, night time is coming, lights on. Otherwise you will say on the light, off the light. You will say I am not able to see, so on it, off it, like this. Each and every time when you are doing that, you are going to be training the blocks, training your thing with the NLP. Okay, here I am going to teach you how to train yourself. This is known as text classifier. Okay, in text classifier, what we will do, we will be talking and it will be recorded as. Okay, now we will create the on off light. It is only not only for light, it can also be for your fan, your open your doors, ringing the bells, anyway. Okay, now let's go to my block. Where is my block? Yeah, it is here. I am just opening my block. In my block, data of our lights on. Where is it? Let us search. Can I scroll down and look for data? It's testing. Face detection is there. Face recognition is there. Did I miss something else? Can you help me? Where is data? Yes, we forgot one main thing. We have to create a block named data. How to create it? I'm going to make a block. Make a block. In this, I'm going to give the input as, what will be my input? Data for lights on. Data for lights. Should I use only capital letter? Is it not so? I can even use a small letters. Data for light on. Okay, so data for light on is add an input number, add a text. I have added a text. Okay, to make the text classifier, we need to add the extension. Okay, I have now added the maker block, and see here I can use it here. Okay, lights on is there. Okay, now I made a little mistake. Let me go back and show you what is that. How we want the data to be on is aligned in define. Only we have to give lights for data on. No, see here I can define, it is there, but it is also showing text here. Should it show for us? It should not show for us. Let us go back and change the data light on. How to make changes? Make a block. It's a text. Wait. Okay. I'm just cutting it and I'm going to give data for light. Okay, data for light. Can you see what mistake I did first? First I wrote the data to lights on and then I clicked on the input text. But actually I should have put add an input data text. Then only we have to type it. Let us see how is it coming now. Yes, it's very fine. Now we can remove this. Okay. This is our define. We have defined it now. Let me go into the next drop. What is the next drop we have to do is that extension. I'm going to just click on the extension as usual, and to make the text classifier we need the NLP. Where is NLP? Here, ABII. Okay, just click on it. I have clicked on that and take from this is a palette. Okay, now what we will do, text classifier, take the data on hat block to drop and add as a block here. Just what I have to do, I have to make it as a block. How I am going to do this one is add data CVS files, download CVS files is there. Just you have to take this file. Let's add your text as a class. Okay, I am adding it. Now your text will be what? Lights on. Lights on as. Again, what will be the class also? Lights on. Spelling should be correct. Okay, completed. Again, I'm going to repeat it. Why? There are different module types to say light on. How many times I'm going to add this? I have to add this 9 times. Okay, 1, 2, even 10 times. You have to give the proper 3. I have done 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the final one 9. Okay, just in the class I'm going to give lights on. All class should be the same, so lights on. I am just going to copy it, Control C, and I'm going to click here, Control V. Am I right or wrong? Yes, I'm wrong. Control V. Okay. Something spellings are missing. Yes. Still only 2 more. Now it is done. Lights on. All the 9 blocks are having lights on. Now what is going to be done? This side we have to do in the left hand side, that is LHS side. What we are going to do, how and all we will be giving the command to on the light. Okay. Well, how it is going to be done? It's too dark here. Okay, how you will say, Mama, please on the light. I can't see. Mom, on the light. Mom, on the light. Then it's too dark. Then I want to study. No, you people say I am watching TV. I want to study. Then what is the next command you will give to on the light? On the light you will do lights too. Is it a light is too low? The second next command was turn on the light. Turn on light. Turn on, it's dim. On it. You people used to talk IDK, no, like that. We will just do it. Okay. And on. The last is I need some sunshine. I need light. I need light. Okay. I am done with these all the ways we communicate to or train them to for the lights on. Next is now now we have to add the data to turning the light off also. Same thing, just where it is on you will put off. Okay, but what we have forgotten, we have to make another block to define that it's one block is for on, another text block is to off. Okay, we are going to make a block. It is to be add an input. Now lights, light, first what if we define is lights on, or what did we do? Data for lights off. Now it is going to be data for lights off. Okay, OF. Now what I'm going to do here, I am going to give, as we say, first letter with a capital letter will be done. Then OK is given. Okay, now data for lights off. Just we will drag this to the end, and now we will start adding. Where we have to go and add? In the natural language processing. If you click here, it will say add to your text. Again the same process. How many times you are given here? 9 times. Same you have to do here 9 times. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it 9 times. 1, this is the second time. So next I will copy third time. I'm just using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And fourth time. Fifth time. 6, 7, 8, and the last is 9. I have done 9 times. Okay. Now wherever lights on is there, I am going to give them the command lights off. Okay, just I will copy this one, Control C, Control V. Okay, off. Control C, Control. Yes. So now everywhere we have given Control C and we have made it. Okay. Now each and every text what I am going to do is, first text will be lights on there. So lights off. Second text will be it is too bright. There we gave it is too dark, dim, dark. So it's too bright here. The third one will go for, what is it? I want to sleep. The fourth one will be light is too bright. Light is bright. And the fifth one will be turn off the light. Turn off the light. Spelling mistakes, please check. Turn off the light. And the next case will be I too want to study. Then what we did, I want to, let us check up what we gave. I want to study is there. Okay. I want to study means I don't want to study. I do not want to study. Okay. Still 3 more. Lights. I want to sleep. We have done. And as we say, last is on, off. And I need rest. I need rest. Then it will be bright. It's bright. It's sunshine. It is sunshine. Okay. We have completed by giving the 9 blocks to it. Now create a block with the name training name. Okay, we have to create a block block name train data. We are going to train here. So what I will do is that I will make a block called make a block with train data. Okay. Train data and okay. So now reset, we are going to use this one for making resetting the work. That means for training we have to give one by one. Let us see it. Did you see something we missed here? There is no sprite. We have to select the sprite here. We have to add the sprite. How to add the sprite? Just go to the sprite and I will take a boy John here. Okay. Okay, I'll do from here. Just we will be doing the repeated session very fast, or I will define from define data we will. Okay, I will explain you that. Sorry, I'm repeating the process because we have not inserted the sprite there. So it is a without the sprite who will be trained. That is what we are going to just add now everything to that. It will be a fast process. Just go to my block and you say data for lights on. One is done. I will be fast now because I know what all I want now. Just again define for lights off. Then the third one will be train data. Am I right? Yes. Train data. So 3 blocks are there for each and every one. Let me take everything one by one. And now from the extension I will take, sorry, I am taking from NLM, say text 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. I am just copying only 4 again. Okay. It's for lights off. Make it equal for any time you make here. How many times you say the possibilities of probabilities, the same should be here. If it is on, the same probabilities you should be using for offing also. 3 and 4 is done. Okay. Yes. Just on, you can say lights on, Control C. Here I'll just make lights lights off. Here the same scenario, it's night, here it's day. It is dark, bright. Here I will give I have work. Here I don't have work, and I'm completing with on, here off. Okay, so next we are going to train the data. What I'm going to do, define train data. I'm just bringing it here, and I'm going to NLP. Here you can see reset text classifier. Just drag and add this to the trainer part, and did what all the things we made it, my blocks to train. This should be trained. Just go to my blocks and drag data lights on and data lights off. Just make them to in the loop. Completed. Then train the text classifier. Go to NLP. You can see train text classifier added. Okay. Now when the flag clicked block script is in the area, now it should be trained. Okay, now let us see. Now what all we are going to do, these are the things for the training. Okay, now what we are going to do see is that we are going to make a, now the script has to talk it. Okay, now what is that, the program, if the program has to run, what we have to do, we have to go to the events when flag is clicked, and the train data, we have trained the data, just take it from the, I'm just giving train data, and I'm going to go to looks to say the data. Say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. Now I will give to say what I should give. I have to give here the get class of. Okay. That is from the NLP I should select it. So I am going to NLP, and I will be getting this one, select for. I am just going to insert it here. Yeah, done. Okay, now here I will be giving, I'm going to duplicate it and say that I am, what text we have given in the app, I I have a work spelling, please, I have made a mistake, work. Okay, okay. Now again I will be adding the looks, and I will just drag it for, and go to NLP and say this block is added. Okay, now what we want to give. Okay, I I will just say it's night. Okay, I will say it's and we will say it's day. Complete. So next what we have to train there, it should be repeated for how many times, let us see. I have given 2 seconds, 2 seconds, and here I have work, we have to do it. So can we run and see the program now? Yes, the program is running. Lights off. He is saying lights off, and again we will click it and see lights on, lights off, because now I'm doing the, I have given him to lights off and on. Yeah, program is success. Children, we will be also doing for any other off and on, open, we can do for anything. Please do this and enjoy it. Bye. This is the end of the fourth program.